A lot of people can't make steamed eggs well. Sometimes don't solidify. Sometimes there are a lot of bubbles. The method I shared today is 100% successful. It's actually very simple. Hit 3 eggs. Mix well. Stir until well blended. Important: prepare 200 ml of water, stirring and adding at the same time. Add 75 milliliters of water to each egg on average. I used 3 eggs, so I added 225 milliliters of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil. Stir well until the salt is completely melted. Filter out foam and impurities can be omitted. Cover with plastic wrap to prevent water vapor from entering. Make a small hole. Put the water into the steamer when it boils. Put the lid on the steamer. Turn the heat to medium. Steam for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat when it's time. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Steaming is done. There's one last step. Sprinkle some chopped scallions and pour hot oil over it. Add some soy sauce at the end. Steamed eggs are now ready. The success rate is 100%. Smooth, tender, elastic and melt in your mouth. Go ahead and make it.